Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do my food diary plan with me today in my Dollar Tree planner that I keep in this Walmart Pen & Gear Traveler's Notebook. It's approximately B6 size. I have a Dollar Tree insert. I originally was using this weekly insert as my social media planner, but I am going to be moving to a disc-bound system for my social media, so I am going to be using this now as a food diary. This is the first week of the food diary. Basically, I just wrote down what I ate each day. It was kind of a hectic week because I had surgery on Thursday, and so I just did the bare minimum. Hopefully I will be able to do a little more as we go on in the food diary, because I want to keep track of symptoms as well. So hopefully I'll be able to work that out. Let's move on to how I'm going to decorate for this week. I'm trying to use some of the washi tapes that I have not been using, so I think I'm going to use this tube from Michaels. It's Recollections brand. I was looking to see if it says what year it's from. I don't see a year, but it says Enchanting. I'm assuming that's the name. But anyway, it's Mermaid washi. That's what I call it. So let's get started. And I am going to use a small doll this week. I'm going to use a mermaid doll from jd+brooklyn. So I've had a lot of questions about what stickers I use or what stickers I recommend. So I guess I will be doing a video about stickers soon. So look for that. I do have a house guest right now, so recording is a little tricky for me. So I'm kind of trying to squeeze as much as I can in as far as recording, but some things may be delayed. But these are stickers that I print and cut myself. I just have them in this big folder. So I tend to just flip through to find what I'm looking for. A lot of these are either my own stickers or from jd+brooklyn. So this is the one I'm looking for from jd+brooklyn. So I don't want to use anything too big. So I'm going to hold off before I place her. When I do these, when I print the dolls myself, I do the original size and then I make 2 or 3 other sizes so that I have a variety of sizes to pick from no matter what size planner I am using. So this is the tape I want to use for the header, and I'm just checking to see if it will actually fit in the header, and I think it will. I'm not even whiting that out this time. And so September is almost over. That worked out great. I think I'm going to go with the days of the week going up and down again if I can. I don't know if I can do that on Saturday and Sunday though, with the days that I want to use. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and lay down washi. Do I want to use the shells? So today, yeah, first day of fall. But I'm covering that up. So if you ever are going over a fold or a crease in the page, you can take your ruler and kind of run it back and forth, and that'll help adhere it down into the crease. So that's kind of what I'm doing when you see me do that. And let's see. It's not really that much that I need to do with these spreads, but I figure it's pretty fun to just come on and show how I'm preparing for the week. And I should have pulled out the dates. I didn't think of it. The days of the week. I think I'm going to use that. And I just sent my son, this is Monday morning. I'm running behind. Like I said, I have house guests. So I want to use as much time as I could for planning. So I sent my son to go pick up coffee for me. So here we go. First thing this morning. Well, I don't know where I want to lay that. Let me put the day of the week down first. Should I use the green ones or the teal ones? I think I'm going to use the dark teal because that's the one that I'm least likely to use for anything else. And I'm going to do them like this. And these day of the week stickers, the sheet has more on here, of course. That's available as a freebie in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com if you're interested. And I may try to make them easy to cut, whether you have a digital cutter like a Cricut or a Silhouette or not. So hopefully you'll find them useful. So, okay, Thursday I do have an appointment and I have to fast for 4 hours. So I'm just gonna, I think I should use a box for that because this is really basically it. I need the room to fill in what I am eating on these days or drinking. So, and I tend to be a person that drinks my calories. Even though this isn't about calories, I'm trying to cut back so that once I'm released and able to go back to the gym, I'm already, you know, on the path to cleaner, better eating habits. I don't really want to go on a diet. I know once I go to the gym, I'll feel better and things will get back in shape, if you will. Let's use a colorful box for this. And I could probably use colorful boxes throughout. Do any of you know about the new Happy Planner release? If you do, let me know in the comments what you think, what you plan on getting. I would like to get, do I want to put that over there? I guess I don't have any choice at this point. I think I want to get the Boss Babe sticker book because I really want to focus even more on social media planning. I want to see what they are. I did get the inserts, the social media inserts, but I haven't started really using those yet. I don't know how well they're going to work for me, but we'll see. But yeah, I would like to get those stickers. So, and I'm not buying any planners though. Let's see if I can find another. I'm going to put this Do Your Best sticker. if I can get it off. There we go. It's really light. You can barely see it. Okay. So basically, that is it for this week's food diary decorating. I don't know, I guess I shouldn't call this a plan with me video. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should call these videos, since I'm not really doing actual plans. I mean, I don't write down a whole lot of plans in my other videos either, but I do try to do a little more than what I'm able to do here. This is a diary or a log, so this is more through the week I fill it in. So anyway, let me know what you think I should call it in the comments below. Let's go ahead and pop it back in here. I still haven't set up this notebook yet. I don't like to do seasonal stuff, but I think that Pinkaboo paper, if you haven't seen the Pinkaboo paper, check out my last haul video and I do a flip through of it. But I think the Pinkaboo paper would be nice here in here. The only thing is, I guess I could use that same setup all the way up until Christmas, and hopefully they'll have a pink Christmas, and then I can just switch it out from Halloween, fall to Christmas. So we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Check and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the little gray bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.